Today I am going to show you how to add a new client to Homebot. You can do this one of three ways. So once you're logged into Homebot, come up here to Clients, which is the screen I'm on, Add New, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Address, make sure you put the unit number here, not in there. Zip code. Borrower, and if there's a co-borrower, names, emails, phone numbers, and then hit add home. Okay, it says here home added, view client, or keep adding clients. Another way you can add a client is with this template. If you had multiple clients to add, you would want to use this, and these are the fields that need to be filled out. So fill out whatever you're able to fill out. If it's somebody that we've done a loan for, you would have a lot of this information. If it's not, if it's just a prospect or somebody, then you'll fill out what you can. The bold columns are mandatory. Okay, so there's that. And then lastly, if you have access, go into Encompass Reports. I've created a Homebot report, so these are the fields that it will pull from Homebot, from Encompass. For example, the last time that I added my closed clients to Homebot was from in July. So what I'd want to do is come in here now and pull all of my closed clients, or not even closed really, they could just be even prospects, people I've talked to. I can add them from that date on in here by setting this up. I would obviously uncheck these previously checked boxes. You could add prospects, people again that you've spoken to, maybe they didn't close or they didn't go forward for one reason or another. You could add a filter here to choose the date range of greater than July, or you can just pull the report, sort the columns in Excel, and add it that way, whatever you tech savvy, more comfortable with. Once you have this report from Encompass, or you filled this out yourself, you would email it to customersuccess@homebot.ai. Make sure that you put my contact information or my name, email, etc. in the email if you're sending it on my behalf, because they won't know who to put these with otherwise. I think that's about it.